This section lays out the scenarios where had punishment shall not be enforced. One of the key points here is the requirement of the stolen property's value. If the stolen item doesn't meet a certain value threshold, had is off the table. Additionally, if there's a doubt about the ownership or consent of the owner, had punishment is not applicable. For instance, if someone takes an item thinking it belongs to them, had cannot be enforced. This section ensures that had is reserved for clear-cut cases, preventing unwarranted, harsh penalties. Moving on to Section 12, which deals with the return of stolen property. This is a crucial aspect because it emphasizes restitution over punishment. The law mandates that the stolen property must be returned to its rightful owner if it's still intact. If the property has been consumed or damaged, the thief is required to pay its equivalent value. This section highlights the importance of rectifying the wrong done to the victim, ensuring justice is served in a tangible way. Finally, let's discuss Section 13, which is all about theft liable to tazir. Here's where judicial discretion comes into play. If the theft doesn't meet the stringent criteria for had, tazir punishment can be applied. Punishment for theft liable to tazir. According to this section, if a theft doesn't meet the strict criteria for had punishment, it can be punished under tazir. This means the judge has the discretion to decide on a suitable penalty. The goal here is to ensure justice while considering the specifics of each case. Moving on to Haraabah. Section 15 defines Haraabah as waging war against society. It's a severe crime that includes acts like armed robbery or banditry. Think of it as a threat to public safety and order. Finally, Section 16 details the proof of Haraabah. To establish a Haraabah charge, there must be clear evidence, such as eyewitness testimony or a confession. The standard of proof is high because of the serious consequences, which can include severe punishments. The emphasis here is on ensuring that only those truly guilty of such grave offences are convicted. So to recap, tazir allows for judicial discretion in lesser crimes, while Haraabah deals with severe threats to society with strict standards of proof required. I hope this clarifies these important concepts in Islamic criminal law.